accent. We are now in the private jet plane of the accent. We really enjoying our lifestyle in the accent. As a Crown Ambassador, we thanks to Dr. Lim because giving this opportunity to us. So, what the message we want to give to all the accent distributor? Work hard, work smart, and one day you also can fly in private jet of the accent. This is one of the opportunity we'll get in this business. We are very, very happy and we enjoying our life together, traveling throughout the world with our private jet, the accent. Thank you, Dr. Lim, for all the support you give us and all our distributors and our networking. Thank you very much, and we hope you will be together one day with us in our private jet of the accent.
Dr. Lim, thanks a lot. We first this happiness.
We are very, very happy with the accent. This is a beautiful, and I hope all the world in the accent distributors will enjoy the same how we feel today. You will be feeling the same enjoyable in the accent. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dr. Lim, for giving us this beautiful opportunity in the accent.